Hi, this is Chris Cowan, doing my Enhancement 9 uh, video. And here's the home page. And the first thing we need to do is navigate to a vehicle detail page. And the Jeep is one of the ones I added extra pictures to. So here it is, Jeep Wrangler. And we see the vehicle's images load, and it says, let's see, validate the HTML. We'll do that. And I have a warning in my header, but no errors. Validate local CSS, and no errors there. And use the browser's inspect tool to show the full size image no larger than 500. Okay, so we can look at this vehicle's info, 500 by 298. So that looks pretty good. And use the browser's inspect tool to show the thumbnail images no larger than 200 and 200. And that's all being changed. Let's see. Show the images table in the PHP admin tool. Demonstrate the two versions of each image exist. Okay, so let me see if I can get that over here. Okay, here is my images table. And here are those images. We can see we got the inventory ID. That's the same. Added on the thumbnail image. Different image ID for each one. They all got added in there. And I think that's it. Post your video to YouTube. Yep. So another crazy assignment this week. But yeah, again, very enjoyable.